Hi, welcome back. Yet again, continuing the problem solving session. I want to tell you what I mentioned about right reason and real reason. What happens is if somebody comes with a problem, and like for example, if somebody comes with a problem to me, I generally, whatever they narrate, I generally take it as symptom, not um, the real problem. Why I say this is, let me tell you a small incident that has happened. Probably that will help you understanding the right reason and real reason. Um I used to uh, visit a center when I was working for a company, large company, and people used to interact with me very freely and sharing all the details with me because I'm a neutral person. I don't get um, involved in um their personal uh, stuff. So, in one such visit, a person came to me and told me that he has quit the job and he has got an offer in a large multinational organization, IT company in Bangalore for double the salary. So I asked him, that is okay, you must have told this HR these reasons, but let me know what is the actual thing. No, sir, I will tell you actually, don't share it with anybody. I got a job in that large IT organization in Bangalore, but not for the double the salary. It is point 0.8 of what I am drawing here. Then I told him, because nobody joins for point 0.8 of what is getting. So I asked him, you are still not telling me the truth. Tell me, what is it? And then he said, I'm getting a job in large organization. I'm getting a job in Bangalore, but also point 0.8 only. But the actual reason, sir, I'm finding it difficult to commute from this place to Bangalore every weekend to meet my girlfriend. That is the reason I'm joining. But the salary is right, point 0.8 only. So what I understand from this, what we understand from this is, the you nobody can even imagine the actual real reason behind is quitting the job. He was not quitting because of job dissatisfaction or the salary. In fact, he was getting more than what he is going to get. um, or any other reason. He just wanted to quit the job because he wanted a job in Bangalore, because he wanted to meet his girlfriend. That was the truth. That is the real reason. Now you can easily know and differentiate. People come with always right reason, not the real reason. Nobody tells real. Nobody would have ever, even this person would have ever approached HR, please transfer me to Bangalore because my girlfriend is there. And such a requirement requests are also will not be entertained. So that's why people don't share the real reason. Let's look at the scenario. If the right reason based solution is given, what they would have given? Right reason was double the salary. Okay, and in Bangalore. So double the salary, people will think that because of the salary this person is leaving. Assume for a minute they have given double the salary, what would have happened? It is a temporary fix and also creating more problems, because everybody, rest of the crowd also will come with same reasons, and you cannot accommodate all the people with the double the salary. So the solution given for the right reason will create a cascading effect. And also, even for this person also, it is not going to satisfy. He will still quit the job even after giving double the salary, because his real reason was something else which is not addressed actually. So all that I'm trying to say is that people come and tell you something, that I'm quitting, or any other problem, need not be a real problem. It is a right reason only, not the real reason. So until you find out the real reason, you will not be able to fix the problem permanently. So I have also given right reasons to many people. People did not bother to find out what is the real reason. That is okay. That is how it happens. So we will not be able to solve the problem until we find out the real reason. To find out the real reason, you have to have honest relationship, trusted relationship with the other person, so that he can share with you and you can actually give solution to a problem which will not repeat or reoccur. Hope you enjoy this small video. Continue to watch my channel. Thank you very much.